guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all a foot pamper routine that I recently did at home to calm and soothe my feet down because my daily schedule is very busy and tight. I hit the gym every single day. I do my cardio for 1 hour. I cook breakfast and lunch both together in the kitchen, so it takes me roughly about 2 to 3 hours combined. Then I do yoga every day and I film videos like 6 to 7 hours straight. So my schedule is very tight and it involves me being on my feet for a really long time, which makes my feet very tired, and that's why by the end of the week I like to pamper my feet. So usually I go for pedicures, or I call the pedicure lady at home and just get my feet pampered. But this time I decided to do something for myself, and that's why I got myself a couple of foot care products so that I can use them at any point of time to pamper my feet. These are all by Drfoot.
Drfoot Everything at 99 sale is going live on the 28th of April to the 30th of April, where you'll find all your favorite Drfoot products at just ₹99. So grab all your favorite products on Drfoot's website.
The first one is a foot soak in peppermint variant, and look at how huge the tub is. Those are the Epsom salt crystals. You need to add 4 to 5 spoons of this Epsom salt in a bucket and then dip your feet into it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This is going to help to release all of the tension from all of the tiredness, and it's just going to revive, calm your feet down. The second step is to use the foot skin on your feet. This is again by Drfoot. It's their foot scrub. And this one, unlike the other foot scrubs, is not at all harsh on the skin. Firstly, look at the gel-like texture of it. It doesn't have a harsh a rough texture. It's got this very smooth gel-like texture. And it glides on so smoothly on the skin. It's got these very soft exfoliating particles which helps to get rid of all of the dead skin from your feet. And unlike the other scrubs which are drying on the feet, this actually helps to hydrate the skin while scrubbing off the dead skin cells. So it's very gentle on your feet and it helps to scrub away the dead tissues from your feet and cleans the foot cracks. You need to scrub using the entire foot. You can wash off with the cuticles and then go in with between your toes. That's where most of the dry skin cleans. It's a foot repair cream which contains nourishing ingredients like olive oil, neem leaf extract, jojoba oil, lemongrass oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, vitamin E, etc. And the consistency of this is so thick. It's super duper moisturizing. Like, this is the best foot cream that I've ever used in my entire life. That is how moisturizing it is, and it's a very long lasting moisture that it provides to your skin. You need to apply a generous amount of this cream, and this one I sort of like and using every single night. Also apply it on your cuticles and nourishing your toes. And lastly, this step is optional, but I still went ahead and did it. So I used some foot socks mask. The first one that I have is an exfoliating foot sock mask. And the second one which I actually used is a foot hydration socks mask, and this helps to exfoliate all the dead skin off your feet, which are all very hydrating, moisturizing and nourishing hyaluronic acid, olive oil, cocoa, shea butter and aloe vera leaf extract. So you need to open this pack and remove the sock masks. Then you need to cut off the top part of the socks mask and put your feet inside them, and then just gently seal them very tightly. It's going to intensely hydrate your feet, and by the end of it, once you all of the socks, it's going to make the moisture to be absorbed by your feet and just so supple. So this mask is something that can be used only once. It's a single time use sock mask, but whenever you use them, it's going to make your feet baby soft. So this is the entire foot pamper routine that I followed this time, and I absolutely enjoyed it. Usually I go for pedicures, but if you want to like pamper yourself at home all by yourself, if you don't have the time to go out and get a pedicure done, this is the best way to do so. And all of these products that I use today are cruelty free. They're all dermat tested and they're free from harmful toxins. So I highly recommend you check out all of these products and try them for yourself. They're all available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, or you can find them on Dr. Foot's website, where you'll get amazing offers and discounts. So all of the shopping links are mentioned in the description box below, so do check that out. So if you want to do a self pamper routine at home for your feet, pamper your feet and just get rid of all of the tiredness and just revive your feet and everything at home, then do check out Dr. Foot products. I absolutely enjoyed using all of them, and they just made my feet again happy feet. So if you want happy, beautiful looking feet, do check these products out. So yeah, that was my video on how I pampered my feet at home. I hope this video was helpful for y'all. If it wasn't, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and do let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.